In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 909, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned against paying attention to bad omens, as behaving in this manner is like associating something with Allah, the Exalted, meaning polytheism. Instead, one should rely on Allah, the Exalted. Paying attention to evil omens means that it affects one's behavior and actions. Even though black magic and the evil eye are real, it is important to understand that nothing in the universe, from the fluttering of a leaf to the sun rising, occurs without the choice and will of Allah, the Exalted. And if the entire creation tried to make something happen, such as harming someone, they would not be able to achieve it if Allah, the Exalted, did not allow it to occur. Similarly, if the entire creation desired to provide someone with benefit, they would not be able to unless Allah, the Exalted, so willed. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2516. Therefore, a Muslim should remain steadfast by not bothering with evil omens or fearing witches and wizards, as they cannot cause something which Allah, the Exalted, has not willed from occurring. Instead, one should remain steadfast on the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and continue with their lawful actions and choices, and only seek protection from evil things according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, while fully trusting in the support of Allah, the Exalted. They should not turn to people and things which contradict this, as it will only lead to paranoia and trouble, which in most cases is worse than their initial fear.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.